The VersiCube is a CNC machine versatile cube designed for active hands and the restless mind. We wanted to create a product that inspires you to pick it up, play with it, wear it, stare at it. Also, to raise awareness for the East Coast Division Prototype Machine Shop recently opened in the beautiful Green Mountains of Vermont. We also wanted to support skilled trade education and training. In an effort to do our part, we are committed to providing all the profits to our local advanced manufacturing program at the Vermont Technical College. CAD models and prototypes started in 2012 in the San Francisco Bay Area. Our primary focus is on prototype and product development. CAD models and prototypes has 3, 4, and 5-axis mills. We are able to create pretty much anything that can be designed. We specialize in the complex. So in 2019, I decided that I was going to expand CAD models and prototypes to another location. The reason why we chose East Randolph for our second location is due to the fact that Vermont Technical College has an advanced manufacturing program, which literally allows us to take students from that program and plug them into our facility. I grew up in Vermont, specifically the East Randolph area, and it just so happened that a building that I knew as a child was for sale. This place is near and dear to my heart. It's very close to home. Starting in 2013, I came up with the idea of doing a Kickstarter for our company. My belief was a Kickstarter should have more than just a revenue base behind it. We decided that we were going to donate all the profits of the Kickstarter to the Vermont Technical College Advanced Manufacturing Program. The real thing that we're hoping to do is draw attention to the fact that we're here and not necessarily for generating actual revenue. We aren't pricing these things at a point where we can make a lot of money. We're pricing them at a point where we can have a little bit of fun, we can give something to people that want to support us, and we can support the local school. The original VersiCube is a 1 3/8 cube with 9 3/8 diameter holes through it. That's a VersiCube that I find is fun to play with, fun to hold, and fun to have on your desk. There's a smaller VersiCube which comes at a lower price point, which is fun to use as jewelry or something that you can put in your pocket, on your keychain, or something along those lines. The 3 goals of this Kickstarter are: we wanted to create something that would serve as a token of our appreciation and support for the skilled trades. We wanted to raise awareness for our East Coast facility, and we wanted to help support the local trades through the Vermont Technical College. Given that we are manufacturing the VersiCube at our Vermont shop and already have the equipment on hand, our only concern is the possibility of a slight delay in terms of delivery times in the setting of COVID-19. In anticipation of this possibility, we adjusted our timeline to account for the potential delays in delivery so that everyone will have their VersiCubes on time, if not earlier. We appreciate your interest in this project, and we hope that you share it with your friends and family.